Welcome to our channel. Cyber liability insurance protects against data breaches and cyber attacks that are increasingly common. Follow these step-by-step instructions to find appropriate coverage. Step 1. Assess your cyber risk by evaluating what digital data you store, including customer information, payment data, employee records, and proprietary business information. Step 2. Understand what cyber liability insurance covers. First-party coverage protects your business from data breaches, while third-party coverage protects against lawsuits from affected customers. Step 3. Review coverage for breach response costs, including forensic investigations, legal fees, notification expenses, credit monitoring for affected individuals, and public relations services. Step 4. Check for business interruption coverage that pays for lost income and operating expenses while your systems are down due to a cyber attack. Step 5. Evaluate coverage for ransomware payments and restoration costs. Some policies cover ransom payments to hackers and the cost of recovering or rebuilding data. Step 6. Compare coverage limits based on your potential exposure. Consider the number of records you maintain, regulatory penalties, and potential lawsuits when determining adequate limits. Step 7. Review exclusions carefully, as policies often exclude claims from known vulnerabilities, you failed to address, outdated software, or failure to follow security best practices. Step 8. Ask about risk management resources insurers provide, such as security assessments, employee training materials, and incident response planning assistance to prevent claims. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.